So we have the two different style steaks here. These ones were the direct sear and then dwell to finish. This was the reverse sear that we seared on the plancha, so you can see it's kind of charred across the whole thing instead of the grid lines that we got from the cast iron grid. Look at that.
Perfect, Cole.
Stew la la.
Ah, yes. So those are now the beef bites that he's cutting into that have all the goodness in them. Like I said, we put the Carolina bold sauce in there along with the Cosmic Cow seasoning. He cuts them up into chunks and you have the greatest hors d'oeuvre you ever wanted to. These also make a great hors d'oeuvre on Thanksgiving, because think about it, you're about to eat all of this poultry with turkey. What better hors d'oeuvre than some beef? Nothing like having beef for Thanksgiving also.
If you're doing a true cooking class here, you could even have your customers or the consumers in doing the cooking with you, or just show them how to do it, but then definitely sample it out and let them try the magic of the egg.
And then the other key is, obviously today we did a lot of different things today and we were jumping all over. When you're doing a cooking class, you actually wouldn't want to do this many recipes. We're doing it because we want the content, but the reason why you're doing it, or gonna only do, is you want to pick 3 things. So if you make an appetizer, make a main dish, make a dessert or something like that, you want to keep it to just 3 items, because otherwise what happens is it gets to be too long and too cumbersome and people forget. Because trust me, why do you want people to come to a cooking class at your store? To buy stuff. That's the reason why you have them there. That's the reason you're doing this. Just so you know, I've done a couple of cooking classes here recently, and the one we had 12 people attend and we sold $8,000 worth of product to those 12 people. And then I just did another one where we had more people. We had probably about 30 people there, and we averaged approximately $300 per buying unit worth of accessories and eggs between that. So literally, if you think about it, it's instant sales for your store. And the beauty is, it's an after hours event. You're doing it from 6 at night till 7 at night. I recommend 1 hour, because people are busy nowadays. They don't want to commit more time than that. And by starting it at 6, most people can make that after work. The metal pizza peel is the ability to wash it. I literally put mine right down into the dishwasher. So if you see what he does, he's take the big green egg, rocking pizza cutter, he cut the stromboli once down the pipe. Now he's just gonna go through and hit it again. You see how beautifully golden brown the crust is off the big green egg, and now he cuts that up. And you can serve it right off of the pizza peel. When you're done with the pizza peel, drop it right into the dishwasher. It works slick. And the key to the stromboli is the fact that we didn't go as high of a heat. Remember I talked about with pizza. Pizza, you're gonna cook to the composition of the crust. Stromboli is always gonna be a lower temp cook. You're gonna have that stone at about 325 degrees. See, it's bubbling along the edges. If she's bubbling along the edges, she's actually done and hot. Notice how the smoke's gone from the wood chips. So we've gotten the flavor into the chili. Like I said again, that's the beauty of doing these grill classes, is by doing them, you're gonna sell egg accessories. Okay, so what he's gonna do now, you see how that is perfectly golden brown. He's gonna bring that thing over here. And he's gonna first take the knife, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut around the edge, just to make sure that it wants to release out of the pan, just like this. Then he's gonna take it, and I take it and put it like this, and now he's going to flip the 2 over. Notice having the egg mitt and the heat resistant silicone mitt. He's going to get that to release. Is it coming out? There you go. Boom.